I'm Dr. Alpa Atul Purabia. I'm LASIK cataract and cornea surgeon. I have CSR Eye Hospital in Jubilee Hills. Today we are going to talk about cataract. Cataract means natural lens inside our eyes starts becoming white. Generally the lens in our eyes is by birth clear, and with age slowly some of the age related changes starts. One of them is lens fiber starts becoming white, and that is known as cataract. The most common cause of cataract is age. Because of the aging, the lens fiber starts becoming white, but there are some other causes also, like injury to the eye. Some of the metabolic disorders like diabetes can also enhance the process of the cataract, and a person who is on the long-term medications like steroids, there also the cataract process starts early. There are other reasons also, like congenital cataract. Maybe by birth the child is having cataract, or developmental cataract when the child is developing. At that stage, because of some of the reason, child develop cataract. When we are trying to see the object, if the lens is clear, then the image will be focused over the retina, and that will be clear image. But when the lens starts developing cataractous changes, or when a lens starts becoming cloudy, the image will be poor, and because of that patient will be having a blurred or dimness in the vision. Because of the cataractous changes in the lens, there will be also scattering of the light in the eye, and because of that some patient will experience glare, or some patients can see halos around the light. Because of the cataractous changes in the lens, the color perception also decreases, and also contrast deteriorates. Some patients will be having a sudden improvement in the reading glasses. That is because one particular area in the lens, they start developing cataract, though their distant vision starts becoming blur. And some patients will be having a frequent changes in the glasses prescription. Because of the cataract, some patient can have a double vision or multiple images. So depending on the location and density of the cataractous changes in the lens, the cataract is further classified. So if you look at the natural lens, it is clear and it is actually surrounded by the capsule, and it has again different part, like center part is called nucleus and surrounding area is called cortex, and then capsule. So depending on the where the cataractous changes are there, cataract is further classified, like nuclear cataract or cortical cataract or capsular cataract or subcapsular cataract or posterior polar cataract. Once you develop cataract, what are the treatment options? There is no medications to stop the cataract process or to reverse the cataractous changes in the lens. So there are no drugs, no medications, no spiritual healing or fasting which can help to stop the cataract process. Surgery is the only option to treat the cataract. The question is when we should get the cataract surgery done. When it starts affecting our vision or day-to-day lifestyle, then it needs to be corrected. Once the cataract surgery is done, it makes patient's vision better. Also it improves the color perception and make the vision brighter, and definitely changes the lifestyle of the patient. But in early stages of the cataract, there are certain measures which help us to delay the process of the cataract, like mindful or healthy diet which should be rich in antioxidant. Also we should wear a good UV protecting glasses when we go outside to protect our eyes from ultraviolet radiations, because ultraviolet radiation is also one of the factors to develop early cataract. And the third, if you have a diabetes, then keep your sugar is under control, because if sugar is not under control, then also there is a possibility of early cataract or sudden development of cataract. In older time, when the cataract becomes completely white, then only cataract surgery was advised. But with the recent advances, now the cataract is advised when it starts affecting patient's vision and lifestyle. The cataract surgery is known as phacoemulsification. What is done in this surgery? The natural lens which has become white is removed, and on that place the artificial lens is implanted. With the help of the artificial lens, patient will be again able to see clearly, most of the time almost without any glasses. The artificial lens which we implant during the cataract surgery has different types. One is monofocal lens. When we implant the monofocal lens, Patients' distant vision will be better, but they need reading glasses. There is another lens called bifocal lens or multifocal lens where patients' distant and reading vision will be better. The another lens is trifocal lens where you can see the distance, intermediate and near. Intermediate means computer or desktop work and near means reading or mobile work. And there is another lens called EDOF, extended depth focus lens, where you can see distance and intermediate vision, and when both eyes are done, maybe some reading also can be achieved. There is another lens called toric lens. When someone is having a astigmatism or cylinder power at one particular degree, then this power also needs to be corrected, and this patient needs toric lenses. Toric lenses can be monofocal, multifocal, trifocal or even EDOF. In cataract surgery, there is another buzz about the robotic surgery. Robotic surgery means certain steps of the cataract surgery are done by the femtosecond laser and remaining surgery is finished with the phacoemulsification and then artificial lens is implanted. Though phacoemulsification is very commonly performed surgeries, some of the complicated cases we may need to do small incision cataract surgery, also known as SICS. When there is a vision related issues in the eye, it is better to consult an eye specialist at an early stage, because cataract surgery not only gives you better life by improving the vision but also give you a sense of well-being. Fact is, as soon as cataract starts affecting your day-to-day routine activity and having difficulty in the vision, you need to get it done, because after that you are going to enjoy better quality of vision.